about 5 o'clock right now, and we are about to leave to Delhi to pick my brother up who's coming to India after 4 years. So let's go.
Oh, my heart is running out of time. I need you right here by my side, and I can be everything you want. 'Cause you can be, yeah, a submarine, yeah. We're going deep, yeah. We're going deep, yeah.
Hey guys, reached Delhi right now, and we're just about to go to Sarojini Nagar cause so yeah, let's go.
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, never ever leave without me. Baby, now let me warm you up. Oh baby, please let me love you much. Baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out slim as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up.
काफ़ी सारी शॉपिंग कर ली है, एंड जस्ट वेट फॉर सरोजनी हॉल cause it's gonna be huge. So होटल में चेकिंग करने के बाद आई स्लेप्ट वेरी गुड, लाइक वेरी आफ्टर अ टायरसम डे ऑफ शॉपिंग. मैं आते ही सो गई एंड आई हैड अ गुड रेस्ट, एंड नाउ आई एम बैक इन माई सुबह के कपड़े एंड वी आर अबाउट टू लीव टू पिक हिम अप, एंड या दैट्स इट.
As the sun was rising on the 4th of April, days and weeks and years have been bypassing. I was stuck in this, not being too faithful, so young and dumb, I never learned it. Mama told me you should never play with the heart. Maybe I should told you this right from the very start. Baby, I was tired of you playing my broken heart. Now it's you that want to restart. But I am so done with our path. I don't want to be your half, no more time for.
So considering कल का लुक कर्ली था, आज मैंने हेयर वॉश करके हेयर ड्राई करके स्ट्रेट कर लिए हैं. So the only thing that is left right now is my makeup routine, which is going to be very minimal. So yeah, if you do like this video, make sure that you hit that like button right away, and make sure that you comment down below to let me know how you felt about this vlog, because this is my first time and I was really confused and tensed and nervous about it कि कैसा होएगा कैसा नहीं होगा. बट या अगर आपको व्यू देखना है तो एक सेकंड में व्यू दिखाती हूँ. Here we have a beautiful view. यहाँ पे हमारी exit I mean, and here we have all this beautiful greenery, like just look at the greenery. And यहाँ हमारे पास metro दिखता है यहाँ से. मैं कभी metro पे चढ़ी नहीं, but hopefully we'll be riding a metro today, so let's see what happens. But या मुझे मेट्रो में वैसे चढ़ने में थोड़ा डर भी लगता है, बिकॉज उसमें चोरियाँ होती है, ये होता है, धक्का मुक्का होता है, जो मुझे थोड़ा क्राउडेड जगहों पे थोड़ा सा परेशानी हो जाती है. बट लेट्स सी इफ आई विल बी ऑन दैट हियर मेट्रो छू रही हूँ ना, आई डोंट नो.
pressure, no more time. Years have been bypassing. I was stuck in this, no being too faithful. So young and dumb, I never learned it. Mama told me you should never play with the heart. Maybe I should told you this right from the very start. Baby, I was tired of you playing my broken heart. Now it's you that want to restart. But I am so done with our path. I don't want to be your half no more.
Good morning guys, it's next day and I know कल मैंने बोला था कि मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें करने वाली हूँ but nothing really happened. But the reason was because मेरे भाई का जो काम था जिसके लिए पर्पसली हम यहाँ रुके हुए हैं दिल्ली में, वो होने के बाद we did a little bit of shopping डैडी के लिए and that was all about it बस. एंड उसके बाद what did we do, हाँ उसके बाद पापा को थोड़ा सा क्या है बैक एक इशू एंड सेम विथ माई ब्रदर एंड दे वर लाइक कि घर चलते हैं क्योंकि दे वर ऑलरेडी वेरी टायर्ड एंड ब्रदर तो ऑलरेडी जेट लैग्ड है ही, तो इस वजह से उसको बैक एक इशू बहुत ज़्यादा होने लग गया. सो वी जस्ट हेडेड बैक टू होटल. आई मीन घर चलते हैं, डिड आई जस्ट से घर चलते हैं? ओके होटल चलते हैं. तो हम लोग फिर घर आई मीन होटल आ गए एंड यू नो इफ़ यू call a hotel your home, that means your hotel treated you really well. I guess. And that was it. मैंने सोचा शूट ना करूँ. It was nothing really special. So I'm really sorry. It was very boring yesterday. I don't know if this vlog is going to be super boring. The next morning, गले में थोड़ी सी खराश चालू हो गई है वापस. Although 2 दिन तक सही थी, but वापस थोड़ी सी सही हो गई, ज़्यादा हो गई है. Most probably because मैं सिर्फ इस नाइट सूट में सो रही हूँ इन दिस दिल्ली की सर्दी एंड आई गेस उससे बीमार होगा तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मेरे मॉम के रूम में पहुँचूंगी तो मुझे डांट पड़ने वाली है.
Feel my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced. I keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by.
So Dickon Cafe नाम की एक जगह पे आए हैं हम लोग अभी and to eat lunch, and this is actually situated in Chanakyapuri and Delhi, and it's kind of like a shopping center which has a lot of shopping stores, and they are all pretty great according to me because I just love the overall vibe of this place. Because just if you have seen the video you would know that it's quite beautiful and it's all green and natural. I just love the overall vibe of it और काफ़ी unique stores हैं. So let me know अगर आप यहाँ आए. And the best part is all the dogs here have these leashes and collars on them, and they are well taken care of according to me, दिखने में जितना लग रहा है. So I'm really happy to see this place in Delhi, and yeah, so if you are from Delhi and you have visited this place, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know that कि आपको कैसी लगी ये overall vibe and how you find this place and कि कैसा है और आप क्या क्या shopping करते हैं यहाँ पे. So let me know.
We were standing on the same side, and I tried and tried and tried. I will never be close to you again. I will never touch your hands again. I will never play by you another night, 'cause I've been moving on. I will never be close to you again. I will never touch your hands again. I will never play by you another night, 'cause I've been moving on. So done with our path. I don't want to be your half. No more time for laughs. Never ending broken hearts. I'll keep working hard through the dawn and through the dark.
तो हम बस अब जयपुर के निकल जाएंगे once the train arrives, and तो इसलिए मैं अभी के अभी vlog end कर रही हूँ. So if you like this vlog, make sure that you hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram page to see more updates on what I did in Delhi. So yeah, and also guys, thank you for 100k. Bye.